Good morning students. In the previous video we have discussed the working stress method of RCC design, and the next method is limit state method. In the limit state method the structure is designed to withstand safely all the loads that will act on it throughout its lifespan. Therefore collapse of the structure will not take place. Second, to satisfy the serviceability requirements, it means the failure of the structure will not occur due to excessive deflection and cracking. Limit state method is based on safety at ultimate loads and serviceability at working loads. The acceptable limit of safety and serviceability requirements before failure of the structure takes place is known as a limit state. So a limit state is a state at which one condition relating to a structure attains a limiting or critical value. The important limit states which are considered in the design are: first is limit state of collapse, that is ultimate limit state. Second, limit state of serviceability. Third, other limit states. So the design of the structure is based on the characteristic values for applied loads and strength of material. So design values are obtained by applying the partial safety factor to the characteristic strength of the material and characteristic loads. The limit state method is referred to as non-deterministic. The method is non-deterministic because it is based on the experience or on the feed data. So comparison of working stress method and limit state method. Comparison of working stress method and limit state method. So first point, it is based on the behavior of the structure at working loads. In the limit state method, the structure is designed on the basis of most critical limit state and checked for other limit states. Second point, the working stress method, it is referred to as deterministic. The method is referred to as deterministic because it is presumed that the loads, permissible stresses and factor of safety are known accurately. So the limit state method, it is referred to as non-deterministic. So this method is non-deterministic because it is based on experience or based on feed data. Third point, factor of safety are applied to the yield stress or ultimate stress to get the permissible stress. So in the limit state method, partial safety factors are applied to the characteristic values to get the design values. So 4 points, it is based on linear stress distribution. So this method is based on linear stress distribution, and the limit state method, it is based on non-linear stress distribution taking inelastic strain into consideration. So 5th point, actual safety against ultimate load is not known. So 5th point, it satisfies all the limit states of collapse and serviceability. Thank you.